Okay, so this had been the most latest news that I've been hearing recently about the Pentagon that's scrapping their $10 million or $10 billion contract with Microsoft, and that they're being contested with Amazon. Because if you don't know, is that Microsoft and Amazon, they're like the storage thing for the government. I'm not fully sure. I just heard about this just recently, and this is going to be posted on July 6th too. This article, I'll try and link to the description down below. I'm barely gonna put anything in the description, but even the thumbnail, if you saw it, is like barely anything except for this. But let's get straight into it. I hadn't really checked this. I did hear about it from Rich on Tech on KTL 5, Los Angeles. So right here it says that the Defense Department is scraping its $10 billion cloud computing contract with Microsoft because of a mired legal battle with Amazon. Okay, but I've heard also that they will be combining together. So as that's there, I'm still unsure. Like, actually, Pentagon's announcement on Tuesday ends with it being complicated and highly politicized saga. Military tech contracts in the U.S. history. So it's something with military. I'm not sure. I'm not going to go more in depth about it because, I'm just just a high school student just reading this. I just heard about this. This sounds insane. Amazon has litigating the contract known as Jedi. Since 2019, when the company was stunned by its loss of a lucrative 10-year award to Microsoft, Amazon's legal strategy has, it says here that Amazon has an okay, I don't know how to say that, but contract known as Jedi since 2019, when the company was stunned by its loss of the lucrative 10-year award to Microsoft. Amazon's legal strategy has included a call for testimony from former President Donald Trump, arguing his disdain for founder Jeff Bezos swayed the bidding process. Okay, so it looks like they've been gambling around with the contract. I don't know what the contract is because it's mostly by the government. But literally, like, come on. Why is Microsoft and Amazon just fighting each other? Like, they should just be helping each other. And isn't Jeff Bezos, like, retiring or something? Like, he's going to be an executive still, but there's going to be, like, a new person because, like, he just retired on July 5, 6, or 4, something like that. Because it's been a long time since he was with Amazon, because he started in his garage. So as we keep on going right down here, the Defense Department on Tuesday said the Jedi contract, short for the Joint Enterprise okay, so it's like an enterprise for an infrastructure sort of thing, no longer met its need due to evolving requirements, increased cloud controversy, and industry advances. Huh. Okay. So it's like an evolving requirement. Oh, it's because there's more people in the U.S., I think. That could be the reason. Possibly. I'm unsure. Don't fact check me. Just go with what you think. Or what I think. I don't know. This is my opinion, okay? I don't know how to read articles. I'm just reading this for because it's just been said and it's really curious. The agency said it planned instead of to pursue a contract with multiple companies. Planned instead to so they planned it out to instead to pursue a contract with multiple companies instead of its winner take all approach. So if you don't understand this, it looks like that they're denying. So let me get my marker out right here. So they don't want a winner take all approach at all. So with Jedi, they're hoping that it will be multiple companies. With multiple companies, that means the contract is going to be a bit more complicated, right? Because it says that it would face criticism because of these stuff. Because, with Microsoft, M for Microsoft, A for Amazon, they have to do like the privacy, and then they have to do 2, 3, 4, all of those steps, and then it would have to continue along. The Pentagon said it would select bids for the new multi-cloud contract. I don't know if this is for the storage. It sounded like that it's for storage, right? That's what it seems like. Amazon, Microsoft, as the two, are the only companies at the moment. So, Amazon, Microsoft, right, are the only companies at the moment that can meet the military's requirements. Okay. So it's like tight security, I think, is what they're going for. The security of the US, yep, is more important than any signal contract. I mean, that Microsoft is doing well. Yeah, okay, that's from Microsoft Executive. When one company can delay for years critical technology updates for those who defeated our nation, the protest process needs reform? I don't know what that means, but okay. But we'll have to see. Amazon and Microsoft, they're like two big companies. They can go crazy on each other, you know? But yeah, it looks like they could be splitting up the 10 billion to be 5 billion for each company. So like Amazon could be the backup, and then Microsoft could be the main, or it could be the opposite where Amazon is the main and then Microsoft is the backup, you know? Like it could be like that. Defense Department is canceling its mammoth cloud contract won by Microsoft and long. Okay, I don't know what this means, but yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm unsure. I think many of you are like curious about this too, because I just heard it recently. I didn't know that they were going through a contract until it was put on the news. But yeah, they're going through a $10 billion contract. They're scraping it at the Pentagon. This could become $20 billion, so then these two can split it amongst each other. Or, we'll see. Yeah. I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech. This is my opinion. This is the whole article will be linked in the description down below. Yeah. See you then. Have a great summer.